Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use the equalizer in Audacity to improve your voice quality. This full guide is updated for 2026 and is perfect for beginners. First, open Audacity and import your voice recording. Once the audio is loaded, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select the entire track. Next, click on the Effect menu at the top. Then choose EQ and Filters and select Graphic EQ. This is the easiest equalizer for beginners. Inside the Graphic EQ window, you'll see multiple frequency sliders. To make your voice sound cleaner, slightly reduce the low frequencies around 100 Hz. You can also reduce the 200 to 400 Hz range a little to remove muddiness from the voice. Now slightly increase the frequencies between 2K Hz and 4K Hz. This helps improve vocal clarity and makes speech easier to understand. You can also boost the 8K Hz to 10K Hz range slightly to add brightness and presence to your voice. Click the preview button to listen to the changes before applying them. If you're happy with the sound, click Apply. After that, go to File, choose Export Audio, select MP3 or WAV format, and save your edited recording. Using the equalizer correctly can make a big difference in your audio quality. Hello everyone, with just a few small adjustments, your voice can sound clearer, more balanced, and more professional. That's how to use the equalizer in Audacity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.